Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I have a double unbox for you guys to check this one out. This is they are the Nikes. As you see, the diagonal stripe tape that's on there. So this is the Air Force One high top, and the other one is the woman for the Lunar New Year celebration. So both of them are for Chinese New Year. So let's go ahead and get this started. Not sure why they come on with this big box. So let's go ahead and then see. It's my invoice right here. That's so weird. It says this is the Air Force One only, the high top. Oh my god. It is upside down. My bad, guys. So I didn't know the Air Force One, the high top, come with this big shipping box to prevent from damaging or whatever. But as you can see, kind of got bumped a little bit, got smooshed. As you can see, there's an indentation right here, and got crushed right here. So even though it comes with a big box, so I don't think they packaged correctly. As you can see, there's an indentation right here as well, got smooshed. So I believe the woman one is gonna come in today. So this is AF1 LNY QS. This is size 12. Somehow this one is made in China. The low top Air Force One, the LNY, is made in Vietnam. So let's go ahead and get this box. So it has this logo over here on the paper. It says established 1982. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, right here, but it's hard to see, so. So this is it, guys. Got this nice gold mesh ring right here for the airflow. Got this nice gold for your lace, the ring. And there's a tongue, there's a design right here. Looks like a balsam flower or something, but let's see. So the shoes, it says made in Vietnam. So I guess the box is made in China. Okay. Then you got this pull tab right here on the back. The bottom is that Lunar, the ear design. Then this is the other one, the other side of it. Then on your legs, you got the gold tip. At first it got sold out, but somehow I guess they restock it again, so the price kind of come down a little bit. So maybe they try to prevent from resale market. It says established 1982. I'm not sure what they put this one in for. So let's try to see that on feed real quick, since it is not my size. So let's go ahead and just put it on for you guys to check it out. And it says Nike on the bottom, I mean the midsole. Take out the shoe tree. Oh my god, fit in there so tight. Well, hopefully you guys like the video, and then give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and turn on that bell for notification. Please drop in the comments down below and share this with your friends on social media. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.